purposes.Used.ca.
Winter's on the way, which means applications for the Heating Assistant Rebate Program are now open. This program helps Nova Scotians with their heating costs. See if you are eligible today and apply online.
The game. They're horrible. Yeah. It doesn't make a difference. They're garbage. And I'm like maybe 10 times better than them. And what I hate about Twitch.
Who just hit me?
He just hit you. He just hit you, bro.
What the?
Taking pictures. Speed up, speed up. Speed up. I'm gonna take pictures.
That guy just hit me, right?
Yeah. I want to call the police.
Hey, is he not stopping?
I'm gonna call you the police.
Hey.
Y'all.
And I think this kind of sort of melds into the thing that you said of I understand that we all want, like, we all make decisions with our emotions. We make decisions with our guts. Like, no matter how scientifically minded or empirical any of us are, you make certain opinions just based on emotion. It's inevitable, and it's not necessarily even a bad thing. However, this isn't about this guy's decision and how it's going to affect himself, or even himself and his wife and children. This is every person in this country is doing exactly what this guy is doing, and probably about half of them are going to make the same decision he makes. The CDC has said that, like, it's spreading now more and more because of small family gatherings like this. It is extraordinarily frustrating as a scientifically minded person to see somebody given the data, like, it's a silver frame,
through it, yeah,
and
very
go
clearly.
through it and parse through it and understand that it's
Go.
different than he ever knew. And I'm not
What
sure
the
if I don't remember
you doing?
when I said, like, I'm not taking into account going to the gas station or whatever.
Right.
But, like,
What do you do when people who
What the fuck is wrong with you?
understand the problem are still making the same decisions as the people who willingly refuse to accept the problem?
yeah, and it's Thanksgiving. Like, you know, when I was little, Hammond, I got sick over Christmas. I had to stay home with my mom, and I couldn't go to my aunt's house for Christmas. And I cried, and I was upset, and I was so mad at my mom for not letting me go. One, I was 7. 2, I got the for it.
Right.
This is 1 year. I understand this
Actual
sucks.
fucking
It sucks
wrong
for
with this
everybody. I don't Skype and hang out with people all day. I don't care. Like, stay.
Are you drunk?
Yo, you gotta
Yeah, you're stopping in the middle of the road.
you gotta tear your head off.
Are you drunk?
No, I shoot your
You're on camera.
bitch.
I have a camera. Really? 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 A Nissan started merging into the right lane, and he just slowly and calmly bumped up on the side of a double-decker bus, and he screwed up his front fender.
Taxis are being stopped in Edwardsville and North Riverbend.
What's that?
Start the freedom process. Call Timeshare Freedom Group now because you have better things to do with your money. 866-677-CANCEL.
Okay, Presto.
677-CANCEL. 866-677.
Jesus Christ! Oh, God Almighty!
I've always been the one to say the first goodbye. Had to love and lose 100 million times. Had to get it wrong to know just what I like.
So, and then suddenly you're like, okay, well, do I want to do it? Jesus. Okay. Do I need it outside? Do I need it inside? Oh my God.
Tsar, after all, came out of the Caucasus himself. Stalin was a Georgian. But even though he spoke the country's chief language with an accent thick enough to slice, Stalin often acted more Russian.
He's young one. Give it up with this thing. We are behind Jalen Hurts now. Whoever's going to lead this franchise moving forward. Well, it's a certain way to do it, though. You have to, as the head coach, you do.
Whoa!